Welcome back to the vlog. Hope you had a good weekend. It was definitely a beautiful weekend compared to earlier in the week where it was raining on and off, just like that quick little video clip you saw. But nonetheless, great weekend. Got some footage of a car show, Bordentown's annual classic car show. So why don't you check that out real quick, and I'll get back to you in a few. Peace.
Oh yeah, see life goes on. Look at the thrill of living is gone.
Leo, what's your boy, huh? Everybody, this is Leo. This is gonna be my channel's mascot. Where you going, boy? Where you going, boy? Huh? Where you going, boy?
Good for you.
Leo, come here. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Say bye. Bye. Leo. Say bye. Bye. What's up, everybody? Like I said last time, my first video, we need an engine for the Acura. So this is for my Acura / Honda people, okay? We're thinking about putting a B20 in this engine, in this car, I should say. So I need some help. I'm on a budget, all right? We gotta get it for cheap, nice, refurbished, certified, something. Give me some clues, some hints, some contacts, anything. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So yeah, if I can get any help, advice, please put it down in the comments below. This way I can get this build started, you know what I'm saying? If you want to see a build, help me out, help a brother out. B20 engine, boom, right here. We want to see this baby rolling again. So comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll get back to you on the next video. Thanks for watching, subscribe, hit that notification button, and like the video please. Share it too, I need some people to subscribe. I need some fans. I need to get up there. Help me out. Peace.